Hello YouTubers, GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair here with another video how to reset the maintenance service light on a 2007 Scion TZ as something like a Toyota Corolla or Toyota Camry. So please subscribe to the channel, smash that like button and leave your comments below. I will try to help you with anything that I can. Then let's get to it. First of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna press the reset button right here on the speedometer. You're gonna push it and hold it. Okay, then you're gonna turn the ignition key to the first position, then the second position, and you're gonna see on the speedometer where the mile display, some light is gonna blink. You can see it right there. And the maintenance service light, it will turn off. There you go. That's how you do it. Simple as that. So again, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I really hope this helped you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks again.